So yeah, this is our company, Quantum Growth from the Philippines, and we are located at Ayala Avenue at Tower 6789. So so yeah, let's proceed. So in today's business reality, businesses are stuck working harder instead of smarter. So manually work it's up manual work manual work it's up 20% hours a week. Misleads is equals to lost sales. Hiring is equals to high cost plus low efficiency. So it takes a lot of time in the hiring process, and also you will pay the benefits. Stress, burnout, and stagnant growth. Um, this is the old ways on how will you lead your company. But today I'm gonna show you how AI automation can how AI automation will scale your business fast. Okay. So our solution, an AI powered business automation. So our company builds an AI agent that handles customer service and 24/7 chat support for Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and also for your website. So ChatGPT will answer all the inquiries from your Facebook page. Okay? Isn't sounds amazing? Isn't that great? Lead generation and qualification. So we use AI to scrape all the leads or the emails from the web, and then we will automatically send a cold email once it already scraped. Next is email and follow-up campaigns. So once they email you, there is an AI agent who will reply instantly. Appointment scheduling and bookings, CRM, the sales pipeline management, content and social media automation. So an we use an AI to create an content, videos and photos. I'm gonna share you later how we help our clients to create a photos and videos for the business. Customer onboarding and nurturing, billing and invoice reminders. This is perfect for accountants for the billing and invoice reminders. Okay, so with quantum growth, your business runs like a self-scaling machine. And why it matters? Automation is no longer optional; it is survival. It will save you 20 hours every week, reduce employee overhead cost, never miss a lead or follow-ups. So imagine this, you are working your business 9 to 5, and once they lag out or your employees already clock out, who will answer the inquiries? Who will answer the inquiries? Okay? So run 24/7 even while you sleep. So you can focus on growth, leadership, and freedom. That's the true task of a founders or a CEO. Okay, next. Who we serve? We work with business owners across industries, real estate, e-commerce, automotive, call centers or BPO, insurance and finance, personal brands and agencies, and more. If your business has a repetitive processes, we can automate. Okay. So if you're interested in AI automation, comment automation and we will send you the details. Thank you. So,